In this lesson, I'm going to speak about the main and essential features that your online course platform should have and how to pick the right one. Since the beginning of my online course creation journey, I chose Teachable as my first ever online course platform for delivering my online courses. I didn't know about other platforms at the moment of choosing Teachable. I just made a quick research and I didn't know what are the essential features an online course platform should have. Now, with more experience in the online course business, I want to talk briefly about the essential features an online course platform should have. And hopefully, this will help you in choosing the platform for your online courses. Number 1. Great support. In my opinion, an online teaching platform should have a great support put in place. We are different and we are learning differently and at different speed. Navigating an online course platform could be an overwhelming thing to do. I know it was for me when I entered my Teachable account for the first time. But with the help from the support at Teachable, I got most of my questions answered. Same goes with Thinkific. Then, the courses they put in place for online course creators made an easier path in my mind and they gave me more clarity in what were the steps I had to take next. Number 2. Easy platform navigation. There are people that swear by the easiness of a Thinkific account and those who say Teachable is much easier to master. Whatever platform you choose, make sure first that you can find what you need to find easily. Security. This one is a must. You have to be sure that the content you put on the online platform will not get easily downloaded or pirated. You put lots of work into creating online courses. Therefore, your content should be protected. And the only content from your course that can be downloaded should be the one that you intend to. Another important part of the security is your data security and the data of your students. You want your data and the one concerning your students to be protected from any attacks. Customization. The platform you choose should offer you tools to customize the pages of your courses as much as possible in a clean and professional way. It's frustrating when you want to create something, but cannot just because there is the limit imposed by the platform. One key feature I like is customizing your domain in such a way that visitors could navigate between your platform and your website seamlessly. So, before choosing your online course platform, check if you can customize your pages like it's the case with Teachable and Thinkific. Speed and deliverability. An online course platform should be responsive when playing the content in your courses. No one loves laggy videos and unresponsive pages. Your students should have the smoothest journey during your course. Mobile learning. While most of the students prefer learning on their laptops, there is a great percentage of students that are consuming courses on the go. For this, they are using tablets, iPads, or even their smartphones. Therefore, you have to test how your courses behave on mobile devices before choosing your online platform. Marketing and analytics integration. When I created my first course and I uploaded to Teachable, I didn't know anything about email marketing. I didn't know it existed. Later, I discovered what is email marketing, then I understood why it is essential. That was the moment when I signed up for my actual email service provider, ConvertKit. Later I found that other popular online instructors use Teachable with ConvertKit, but still didn't realize the power of linking them together. That is until I discovered that you can link Teachable with ConvertKit and that they could work as one big organism. And the most beautiful thing is that this system, after some setup, could be entirely automated. Therefore, before choosing your online course platform, be sure it has the feature of integrating your email service provider. Another essential integration your online course platform should have is the Facebook Pixel integration. This is absolutely essential in tracking your conversions and the efficiency of your Facebook campaigns. Don't skip this part. Inform yourself. The main online course platforms know the importance of this integration, and they offer the Facebook integration as a feature. Both Teachable and Thinkific have this integration. Google Analytics should be an essential marketing and tracking tool in your strategy for building your online course business. Therefore, it is absolutely essential to have it. Taxes. Another essential feature is handling the taxes, or at least helping you to some extent to have better tracking of what you need to report in your tax reports. For example, in the case of European value added tax, and if you choose so, Teachable can collect this tax automatically from students located in the European Union, then sends the collected tax to the governments where the transactions took place. Of course, there are other ways to do this and software to use, but you should inform yourself when choosing the right platform for your needs. Learning tools. It is absolutely essential that your platform offers you the possibility to deliver your lessons in different formats. In this way, you can help your students, offering them different teaching materials like video, audio, PDF, text, and so on. You should also check if you can make those formats downloadable. Your students will thank you for this. Progress. You want your platform to be updated in terms of adding new tools for you to use for delivering the best experience for your students. Your online course platform should be always actual to what is going on in the market. So there you have it. In my opinion, these are the 10 essential features an online course platform should have. You must be able to control what is going on your platform as much as possible. This will help you in making the best decisions regarding your online course business. One last point I want to make, however, is that you can always change from one platform to another later on. On the other hand, it would be great if you could choose the right one for your online course business from the start. One thing is for sure, the key player here is your content and your courses. First, you should focus on your market, on your target audience, on your students' transformation, and your product. Then come the online course platforms. Whether you choose Teachable, Thinkific, Udemy, Kajabi, you will still have to invest hard-focused work and money into your business and your course-making process. I really hope you will achieve what you planned for yourself in this journey. But keep in mind, you are the one who's putting things in motion. Only with determination and consistency, and sometimes pure luck, you will achieve your goals. Now for your assignment, click the links below and go check out Teachable and Thinkific platforms one more time. Do some more research on the platforms and then think about which one you would prefer to use as your online course platform. The time to choose your course platform is coming. We need to take care of this part because there are other more important things we should take care in the near future. So make up your mind and decide which platform you want to choose. In case you are still not sure, take a monthly subscription and test the online course platform. Test their support and their features. If you are not happy at some point, you can change the online course platform. But you should do this testing now, when you have no students yet. Later, it could be more difficult to migrate all your courses and all your students to another online course platform. Your chosen online course platform is one of the essential tools in your business, so choose it wisely. In my case, I use both Teachable and Thinkific at the moment. You, on the other hand, should make your own decision and you can use another course platform. Again, it's entirely up to you. My mission is to show you the tools that worked and work for me. Your assignment is to choose the tool that fits your needs. When you finish your assignment, I'll see you in the next video.